Yes, welcome on my channel, on my page. As I talk to you now, I'm in Zimbabwe. I'm on the ground, I'm right on the site to tell you what's happening in Zimbabwe. The president of this country, Dr. Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, has just approved the official visit by the man Aliko Dangote of Nigeria. This is the richest man in Africa. This is the Nigerian billionaire who is coming to Zimbabwe for an investment drive, for investment deals in the country of Zimbabwe, in the nation of Zimbabwe. So this is the recent news coming to you. This is the recent developments coming to you. This is recent updates coming to you. If you are a Zimbabwean or if you're just a general African and you are interested in what's happening in Zimbabwe. So I'm telling you now, I'm the best man on ground. I'm the right man on the site in Zimbabwe, in the capital city, Harare, to tell you, to inform you, to update you on what is happening in Zimbabwe. So the richest man in Africa, Mr. Aliko Dangote, this Nigerian billionaire, is coming to Zimbabwe. And the president of Zimbabwe, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, has recently approved the landmark visit by this extraordinary man from Nigeria, Nigerian billionaire and the Africa's richest man, Mr. Aliko Dangote, coming to Zimbabwe. Like I said, he's coming to explore new investment opportunities. Just for your own information, he came back in 2015. He came to Zimbabwe in the year 2015, about 9 or 10 years ago. He came to this country. He came to this nation, Republic of Zimbabwe, in 2015, again with the same purpose, to explore investment deals, to explore investment opportunities in Zimbabwe. Yes, either in manufacturing or in coal mining or in power generation, in whatever sector of the Zimbabwean economy, in whatever sector of the Zimbabwean economy. This is what he came for when he came in 2015. So I'm just telling you for you to know. I'm just telling you for you to understand what transpired or what happened back there 9 or 10 years ago in 2015 when Mr. Aliko Dangote, this Nigerian billionaire, yes, and Africa's richest man, when he came to Zimbabwe in 2015, what happened? So this is what happened. He came and he saw what he saw. He found what he found. He did his research. He explored whatever he explored in the country, in different districts, in different provinces of the country. Then he went back to Nigeria. But unfortunately, he never came back again to Zimbabwe. He never came back again to Zimbabwe to pursue those investment opportunities or to pursue those investment deals for whatever reason that is best known to him. For whatever reason, yes, that is best known to him. He never came back to Zimbabwe. So I just want you to know, I just want you to understand about this man, Mr. Aliko Dangote of Nigeria, this Nigerian billionaire and Africa's richest man. Now he has opened up again his interest in exploring investments in Zimbabwe. And as I talk to you now, as I communicate with you, he's coming back again to this country to explore investment opportunity, to explore investment deals, like I said. And the president, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, has just given his approval for this man to come to Zimbabwe and explore whatever you want to explore and research whatever you want to research on and do whatever uh, issue that you want to do in the country. So he has been given an open welcome, open approval to come and do whatever you want to do in the country. Yes. Just for you again to know, the coming of this man, Mr. Aliko Dangote, to Zimbabwe, it aligns with the Vision 2030 agenda of the President, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. The coming of this man, Aliko Dangote, for investment deals, for investment opportunities in Zimbabwe. It aligns perfectly with the Vision 2030 agenda of the president, Dr. Emerson Damuzo Mnangagwa in the country Zimbabwe. Yes. So that's why he has approved for the men to come to Zimbabwe. That's why he's so excited. That's why he's so happy. He's so celebrating and appreciating the coming of this men, because he knows that it's part of the broader economic uh, engagement that has to do. It's part of the broader economic engagement that has to do. It's part of the Vision 2030 that he has in his mind as a president of this country, as a supreme leader of this country, Zimbabwe. So just for you to know and understand what's happening in this country, Zimbabwe. So this is the recent news. This is the recent affairs. This is the recent issue happening in this country, Zimbabwe. The president of this country has just approved officially and formally for this man to come to Zimbabwe. Mr. Aliko Dangote and his delegation, Mr. Aliko Dangote and his business team to come to Zimbabwe and explore investment opportunities in, in whatever district of Zimbabwe, in whatever geographical part of Zimbabwe, in whatever province of this country, Zimbabwe. So I'm the man on the ground. I'm your guy on site in Zimbabwe to tell you, my fellow Zimbabwean or fellow Zimbabweans, tell you what's happening. Recent news, recent affairs, recent updates, recent developments in this country, Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe, the nation of Zimbabwe that is blessed and loved so much by God, Almighty Jehovah. Yes. So on this video, I am done talking on this issue, whereby the president just recently approved the coming of this man, Aliko Dangote of Nigeria. He's a Nigerian man. Yes, Nigerian man, Nigerian billionaire. In other words, the richest man in Africa is coming to this country, Zimbabwe, rightly located in Southern Africa, Southern African region. I know to every Zimbabwean, any good-minded Zimbabwean, any open-minded Zimbabwean, this is good news. This is good news, good music to the ears of every Zimbabwean, Shona Zimbabwean, Ondebele Zimbabwean, or any African who is interested in seeing Africans develop, in seeing Africans much higher and higher, greater and greater, much powerful in terms of economic progress, economic development, economic growth. So this is really good news, right? When I was talking, what came to your mind, what popped up in your head, what came to your brain when I was talking, narrating about this issue? Yes, just your comment, or write up your comments in the comments box. I'll come and see them out. I'll come and check them out. Whatever came to your mind, whatever came to your brain, whatever came to your head when I was talking about this issue, when I was narrating this issue, what do you think about this issue? What are your honest thoughts? What are your random thoughts on this issue about the coming of this man, Aliko Dangote of Nigeria, to Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe, in the near future, coming in the near future to this country, to this nation? Please type your comments in the comments box. I'll come and see them out. Otherwise, on this episode, I am done. See you on the next episode, the hottest episode coming about this man, Aliko Dangote of Nigeria, richest man in Africa, blessed by God Jehovah, a wise man, blessed by God. Sharp, I'm signing out.